Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching another one of my grocery shopping haul videos. Hey Spirit Boosters, how y'all doing? I just came here to share another small haul. My husband bought this. He enjoyed those chicken tenders, so he got some more of those. He got him some pork skins. He got some taquitos. I wanted chicken, but they only had beef. And he got some brioche buns this time. He got some hash brown. He got him some more Ore-Ida golden crinkle fries. Yep, this is from Food4LESS. Them greedy people went in there and bought up all the chicken fingers, he said, and all the dang chicken patties. And they bought up all the chicken taquitos. If I'm pronouncing that word, somebody help me out. But that's what's going on and what's happening in over here at Janita's house today while I'm still prepping. This is a regularly used prepper haul right here with these snacks, goodies, and food items. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to be cutting back. I ain't supposed to. I'm doing it. But I'm definitely about to eat me some of these taquitos. Y'all like taquitos? If I'm pronouncing that word correctly, let me know in the comment section. And remember, Spirit Boosters, share y'all thoughts, views, ideas, recommendations, goings-ons, and what's happening in the comment section. And I want to welcome any new Spirit Boosters and the non-Spirit Boosters. Y'all know what y'all can do. Tell them where they can go, Spirit Boosters, where they can leave their comments. Y'all know, leave it in the comments. And anyway, I guess that's about all. I'm still prepping. I ain't doing no pantry chores right now because of my legs still. I'm getting better. But I still got to keep these pounds off me. I can't be greedy no more. I can't be stuffing myself with cookie pies, cakes, and lunch meat and burritos. I got to cut that out. But I will be eating the food, but I won't be eating so much of it. I'm going to eat my age. Whatever that means. But anyway, thank y'all for the support. Thanks for the thumbs up. And remember, you don't have to watch this whole video, but please just let it run till the video is through the entire video so I can get the credit. I appreciate if y'all do that. And it helps my channel. And y'all enjoy this channel, please support it by just letting the video run. Even if you know you're not going to watch the whole thing, you're just looking at the meaty parts. Just please help me support this channel. And thank you very much. And talk to you later, Spirit Boosters. Enjoy your day. Stay safe, well, and keep being prepared. Bye. I hope this grocery haul was a pleasure to watch. And I hope it helped you guys remember something that you might have forgot to get from the store. Once again, thanks for watching.